Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going over a quick and painless way to clean your microwave. I know I hate all the scrubbing that comes from if someone doesn't wipe out the microwave after it splatters. So we're going to start by getting some distilled vinegar and putting that in a microwave safe dish. Here you can see I just used a coffee cup, but you could use anything, coffee cup, Pyrex, basically any microwave safe dish. And you'll put that on high for 5 minutes. Because you want that the steam coming from the vinegar will just help everything wipe off real easily once that's done. While that's running, you can go ahead and wipe down the outside, disinfect the handle, dust the top. You can see here we actually have the vent pulled off so that we could try and clean in there more thoroughly. And then, since that doesn't take that long, I went on to the rest of my kitchen cleaning by emptying the cupboards, which you can find out more about in our kitchen cleaning video. However, once that's done, you'll pull the vinegar out and use a damp washcloth and just wipe out the rest. You can continue using a vinegar solution, 3 parts vinegar, 1 part water. Actually, switch that. Do 3 parts water, 1 part vinegar. But you can use that or just use warm water. It should wipe off real nicely, and it'll get rid of any leftover smells that might be lingering in your microwave from past meals. After that, you can make sure you take the turntable out and wash that and get underneath. Otherwise, like I said, disinfect the push pad and the handle, and you are all done. If you liked this, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and be sure to check out the rest of our spring cleaning series, or at least the rest of the deep cleaning your kitchen series. Thank you again.